Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to mirror text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Mirroring text in Canva is a simple process that can be done using the flip tool, which allows you to flip the text either horizontally or vertically. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section right here to choose from a business template, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, and if you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design option here. Now, we can start by going to the text section. We can add maybe like a heading if you want. Click that. We can simply go here. All right. One way is basically copying this. If you don't know how to copy, simply right click, copy, and then click on paste. The shortcuts are Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Okay. Right. Now, this time right here, we have a separate video on how to mirror an image. All right. Now, if you wanted to know in that video, if you're interested, just check in our channel. Basically, the image has the flip option. But in the Canva, for text, they don't have the flip image. Instead, we're going to use this flip right here. All right. Rotate it until like 180. See that? Basically, that's how you mirror a simple text here in Canva. Okay, so another option is go to the text again. For example, we're going to use this text. Maybe I'm going to make it a little bit shorter, around like 50. All right. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger this time. Now, here, I want you to click on the upper right corner where you can see the share button. Download the text or convert it to a JPEG or PNG for this image. All right. I'm going to do that. Now, this is the text converted to a photo or image. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is copy that here. And there's going to be an option that says flip. I'm going to flip it vertically. You see that? You also have the option to flip it on horizontally. Right? So these are some of your options here in mirroring text. Right? Alternatively, go again to the text box. Add a text box right here. Convert it again to the image earlier. And this time I'm going to copy again and flip it horizontally. Vertical. You see that? So basically that's how you mirror text here in Canva. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.